Wake up, everyone! It's morning!
Good morning! Today is our travel day.
Really? Are we traveling today? Yay! I'm so excited!
Yes, we are going to the seaside.
The sea? I want to see the sea! What time do we leave?
In 1 hour. So let's get ready.
Tom, brush your teeth, please. Okay, Mom. Anna, wash your face. I'm doing it now.
I will check the bags.
Did you pack your clothes?
Yes, 2 shirts and 1 jacket. Good.
Anna, what about you?
I packed my dress and my hat.
Don't forget your shoes.
Oh, right. Thank you, Mom.
We have 2 suitcases and 1 backpack.
Do we have snacks?
Yes, sandwiches and fruit.
I'm already hungry. You can eat later.
Everyone ready?
Wait. I need my teddy bear. Where is it? On my bed.
Hurry up, sweetie.
I got it. I'm ready now.
Lock the door, please.
Done. Let's go.
I want to sit by the window.
Me too.
Tom sits by the window this time.
Okay. Next time is mine. Look, Mom. The road is so long.
Yes, it's a long trip.
Are we there yet?
Not yet. It will take 2 hours.
2 hours is very long.
You can rest or talk with us.
Can we play a game?
Sure. Let's count red cars.
I see 1. I see 2.
I see 3.
I feel sleepy.
Come here, you can rest.
Okay. I want to watch outside.
Look, we are near the sea now.
I can see the water. Wow! It blue and shiny.
Yes, that's the sea.
It's very big.
We are here.
Let's get out of the car.
The air smells nice. I like it here.
Let's go to the hotel first. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we have a reservation.
Here is our name. Thank you. Please wait a moment. Your room is ready. Here is your key.
Thank you very much.
Mom, the hotel is big.
Yes, it's very nice.
Can we see the room now?
Yes. Follow me.
Wow! There is a balcony.
And we can see the sea from here.
I want to go outside.
Be careful.
The sea looks so beautiful. It does. Can we go to the beach now?
After lunch.
I'm very hungry.
Let's eat first.
Sit down, everyone.
The food smells good. I like this fish.
Eat slowly.
We have plenty of time.
Can we go to the beach now?
Yes. Let's go.
I will take my hat.
Good idea.
The sand is warm. I want to run. Run.
Don't go too far.
Stay where we can see you.
Look, I found a shell. I found one too. They are beautiful. Can I keep it?
Can I keep it? Yes. Just one. One.
The water is cold. Cold.
It feels good.
I want to try.
Hold my hand.
Okay. This is so fun. I like the sea.
Me too.
This trip is a good idea.
I feel tired now.
Let's sit and rest.
Can we eat snacks?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you.
You both did great today.
Look, the sun is going down.
The sky is orange and pink.
It's so pretty. Let's go back to the hotel.
I had a good day. Me too. Me too.
Tomorrow will be fun again.
Yes. We will explore more.
I love traveling with you. Me too.
We love you both.
I know.
Now let's rest. Tomorrow is another day.